Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are on the video mode, but it does not really matter. We can be on the photo mode, portrait mode, whatever. We have to open the settings, so let's tap on this arrow here and let me quickly turn on the grid lines. As you can see, we've got those lines here, and basically I've applied them because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So all we have to do is to enter open this arrow again to open this tab and enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because here you've got this whole Welcome to Camera section, which is displayed if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So just tap on Agree. OK. And here we've got our final evidence, let's say, because the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.